Welcome to the best picks. The best rock tumbler is probably one of the most therapeutic and rewarding hobbies you can pick up as an adult, offering a fascinating journey from rough stones to glistening gems, perfect for stress relief and unleashing your creativity. In this video, we will explore the best rock tumblers on the market, comparing features, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the perfect one to match your needs and budget. Number 5. National Geographic Rock Tumbler. Transform ordinary rocks into sparkling gemstones. It's easy and fun with this kit's simple design and durable motor. This tumbler is made with a long-lasting motor and a leak-proof barrel. It's also significantly quieter than other models, making it perfect for any space. Everything you need is included: the tumbler, polishing grits, gemstones, a sifter, and a full color guide. It's ready to use right out of the box. With simple instructions and one-touch settings, it's incredibly user-friendly. Set the timer and let it do the work. It's a fantastic STEM activity for kids and adults alike. We stand behind our products and offer exceptional customer service. What we like. It includes everything you need to start rock tumbling, from rough gemstones to polishing grits. Its durable design ensures it'll last for years. If you're a beginner or looking for a convenient all-in-one option, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Almost no assembly, at all. Extremely easy to understand the directions. It's sturdy and doesn't seem like it will break. It has a handy feature where you can set it for up to 7 days and it'll tell you how many days are left, great for a kid. This set comes with everything you need to get started, including the grit and stones. The stones in the photo are a mix of ones I already had, and the ones that come with the set. Number 4. NatGeo Rock Tumbler Refill Kit. Unleash your inner geologist with this easy-to-use refill kit. It's designed to transform your rocks into dazzling polished gems. This kit features a 4-stage grit system. Each stage refines your rocks, from initial shaping to a brilliant final polish. It includes high-quality silicon carbide grit, enough to polish up to 20 pounds of rocks, gems, or even glass. It works with any rock tumbler you own. For best results, use it with a National Geographic rock tumbler. Each grit stage comes in a wide-mouth container with a secure lid, making it easy to measure and store. It's perfect for ages 14 and up. We're committed to providing the highest quality science products. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. This refill kit provides high-quality grit for a dazzling polish. It's compatible with all rock tumblers, ensuring versatility. If you need a refill or want to upgrade your existing grit, this is the one for you. What people say. Decent quality and price. Good selection of grits. What's crystal clear about this refill kit is its top-notch quality. Packed with premium grit and polish, it's like giving your rocks a spa day. Whether I'm polishing up some quartz or tumbling some jasper, this kit ensures that my gemstones shine bright like a diamond. Using the National Geographic Rock Tumbler Refill Kit is a gem of an experience. Its easy to follow instructions make it a breeze to use, and the results speak for themselves. My stones come out looking so polished, they could rival any jewel in the crown jewels. Number 3. NatGeo Rock Tumbler Kit. Transform ordinary rocks into dazzling polished gems with this complete rock tumbling kit. It's everything you need to get started on your rock polishing journey. This kit includes high-quality silicon carbide grit, ensuring a superior polish on your rocks. You'll be amazed by the results. Our ceramic media enhances the tumbling process. It improves grit delivery, reduces noise, and protects your rocks from damage. Gem foam is a revolutionary polishing media that adds an unparalleled shine to your finished rocks. It's the final touch for truly spectacular results. This versatile kit is compatible with all rock tumblers. Enjoy the ease and convenience of using it with your existing equipment. We are committed to providing high-quality, educational products. Your satisfaction is our top priority, so let us know if you have any questions. What we like. It features gem foam for an unprecedented shine and ceramic pellets for quieter operation and reduced breakage. It works with any rock tumbler. If you're looking to enhance your existing setup and achieve a superior polish, this kit is ideal. What people say. Decent quality and price. Good selection of grits. What's crystal clear about this refill kit is its top-notch quality. Packed with premium grit and polish, it's like giving your rocks a spa day. Whether I'm polishing up some quartz or tumbling some jasper, this kit ensures that my gemstones shine bright like a diamond. Using the National Geographic Rock Tumbler Refill Kit is a gem of an experience. Its easy to follow instructions make it a breeze to use, and the results speak for themselves. My stones come out looking so polished, they could rival any jewel in the crown jewels. Number 2. National Geographic Starter Rock Tumbler. It's easy to turn rough rocks into sparkling gemstones. This rock tumbler makes it a fun and simple process for both kids and adults. Its durable motor can handle multiple batches of rocks. The leak-proof barrel is lined with rubber for quiet operation. Everything you need is right here. You get rough rocks, jewelry fastenings, and 4-stage polishing grit. The step-by-step instructions and learning guide make the process educational and fun. Discover fascinating facts about gemstones. We are committed to providing the best hands-on science toys. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This kit offers a complete rock tumbling experience with rocks, grit, and jewelry findings. The durable design and educational guide make it perfect for both kids and adults. If you want a fun and educational experience, this is a great option. What people say. Bought this 5 years ago as a basic tumbler and have run many courses of stone through it. It works great. It comes with everything you need, including cool rocks ready to tumble. The leak-proof design is a total win. Number 1. Dan&Darci Advanced Rock Tumbler. It's easy to transform rough rocks into sparkling gems. Just add your rocks and grit, and let it do the work. Everything you need is included: the tumbler, barrel, grit, rocks, strainer, fasteners, storage bag, and instructions. It's ready to use right out of the box. It features a heavy-duty motor for long life and a leak-resistant barrel for quiet operation. You'll love how smoothly it runs. With adjustable speed controls and a 9-day timer with LCD display, you have total control over the polishing process. Get exactly the results you want. It's a captivating STEM project that's fun for the whole family. It sparks curiosity about science and geology in a hands-on way. It's the perfect way to explore the fascinating world of rocks and gems. Get ready to create beautiful polished stones. What we like. It boasts advanced features like a digital timer and multiple speed settings for precise control. The low-noise barrel ensures a quieter tumbling experience. If you are looking for a more advanced and customizable rock tumbler, this is the one for you. What people say. It's fairly quiet overall. However, I run it in the garage and cannot hear it in the house. Don't think you'd want to have it running inside the house. She used it non-stop the entire first year. Sourced several different types of plastic tumbling beads for different materials. Many pounds of tumbled treasures in my home now. She just remarked at how well this still works. The rocks that come with it are a good starter. There are some findings included for finished rocks, and the instructions are reasonably good. There's also an included strainer, but we found it much too small, and just used a small colander from our kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.